Hi everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, saan man kayo sulok sa mundo. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. And of course, I'm your magandang host, Vivian De La Cruz. And welcome to another episode of Get Starstruck. Dito po sa Get Starstruck, ito po ay created para sa lahat ng Filipinos all over the world. You may be an immigrant, an OFW, or a citizen of another country, or you may be miles away. But of course, wag niyong i-deny, we know that deep inside, you still long for everything Pinoy, right? So I myself, I'm an immigrant here in Toronto, Canada with my family. We've been here for 11 years now, and yet you know what? Until now, homesick pa rin ako, same as year one. Hindi nawawala yon. So, andito kami for Filipinos who feel homesick because we will bring to you your favorite Philippine artists and celebrities bi-weekly. Dito po, hindi nyo lang sila mapapanood, di ba? You still have the chance also to interact with them virtually in real time. Ganun tayo ka-high-tech, okay? So, how? You can be one of our participants in one of our exciting segments. But that is if you subscribe and like our page, right? Also, you must click the bell button to receive notifications to our new uploads and live streams. Yan, tinan nyo lang po yung nakalagay dyan, di ba? Just follow the instructions. So now, what is in store for you in the next 30 minutes? So, meron kaming Celebrity Slam Book. Yun muna yung first segment. Here, pwede kang magtanong ng 10 questions sa guest celebrity natin. Oh, di ba? Ganyan na ka-high-tech ang autograph or slam book ngayon. Now, if TikTok or singing or dub smash or you wanna compete, ano ba yan? Bisaya ka, Vivian. Compete with your favorite celebrity naman ang gusto mong gawin, you can do that in our segment Celebrity Hangout. Diba? Makitambay kay favorite actor or actress. Now, kung meron ka namang taong gustong pasayahin, well, that is our goal here. Pwede mo silang i-nominate para mabigyan natin sila ng kanyang favorite celebrity ng, small token in our portion called You've Made My Day. Right? So, you will witness all of those today. But of course, none of that will be possible without our celebrity guest. Oh my God, I'm so excited! Ayan, dito na mag-uumpisa yung kilig bottle natin. Kasi, i-describe ko na kung sino ang celebrity guest. Okay? So first, he's a Filipino actor. Siyempre, Filipino nga, di ba? He's a singer, model, and of course, businessman. Oh, pareho pa kami entrepreneur, ha? Kaso, may lahi siyang Chinese. O, di ba? May lahi siyang Chinese. So, balita ko college days pa lang niya, he was selling t-shirts and interior design products na daw to his friends. Di ba? Negosyante talaga. So, he has already been doing TV commercials as the authentic Chowking Chinese chef noon pa. And when a classmate of his asked him to audition for My Binondo Girl, parang alam ko, napanood ko yan. He got the part at nakita siya na Papa Chen pero naging heartthrob siya when he played the role na Sir Chief. Oh. By now, alam mo na kung sino ang dinidescribe ko, di ba? Yes, from Chowking's chef to Sir Chief, our celebrity guest is none other than Mr. Richard Yap. Guwapo.
Hello.
Hello, Richard. Ayan, pa-wave-wave lang muna si Sir Chief. Pasasabikin natin yung mga televiewers natin. Mamaya ka na kita pagsasalitain para mas ma-excite sila, right? But for now, we will pause for our sponsors, right?
This show is brought to you in part by home renovation services that fit your budget. Please contact Dennis Vassal of All Seasons Home Renovations at 416-726-1384. Vivian Dela Cruz, Independent Consultant and Regional Vice President with Arbonne International. For vegan skincare, nutrition, and personal care with the most effective ingredients, please contact vivian.delacruz01@gmail.com. Available in Canada, USA, Australia, UK, Poland, and New Zealand. To Canada, Realtor Jason Aquino of City Savvy is at your service. Call 416-825-0511 so she can help you find your dream home. Singer, talent for voiceover, or a live performer, contact Rhett De La Cruz at rhettradio@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his channel at Rhett Radio using the link below. Aesthetic Skin and Body Clinic. Age gracefully, live beautifully. Contact them at 63917-616-7408. AV Digital Media for digital marketing, web content management, and search engine optimization. To increase your social media reach and strategize your digital marketing, contact them at 1-647-992-7474.
At sa pagbabalik po natin, 3 lucky fans will have a chance to ask Sir Chief live in our Celebrities Love Book. Watch out for it. And we are back here on Get Starstruck. And as I've said earlier, ito na po yung gift namin sa inyo, mga fans. So, hi Richard.
Hi Vivian. Hello.
Nakakakilig.
How are you?
Hello. Singkit kasi siya. Para siya yung husband ko, singkit. So thank you so much for gracing our show. And thank you so much, Sir Chief, for making the Filipinos all over the world happy to spend this time with you.
Yeah,
Sorry.
magandang araw sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, sa lahat ng nanonood ng Get Starstruck. Wherever you may be, sa saang parte ng mundo, I just like to say hi. And I just have a small something to say that you might not know. Naging OFW din ako when I was younger. When I just graduated from high school, from college, I went to China and nagtrabaho ako doon. So, naranasan ko rin yung gaano kalungkot yung wala yung pamilya mo, wala kang kasama, wala kang kakilala. 4 months lang, nag-resign na ako, umuwi na ako ng Pilipinas. So, I know how it feels to be abroad and missing your family. Kaya we're here to make all of you happy, and I hope that we can make your day by being here for you.
Oh, my heart. Kaya naman pala. Talaga po, relate na relate si Sir Chief. Sir Chief siya sa palabas or Papa Chen siya, di ba? And yet, yung heart niya, naiintindihan niya yung feeling ng mga malayo sa mga mahal nila sa buhay sa Pilipinas. So, super thank you. Kaya naman pala. Yan, lalo tat kitang nagiging love.
May sister din ako dyan sa Toronto.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Malapit lang din.
Di ko alam yung exact address niya, but I know she's in Toronto. Medyo malayo yata siya sa city, but I visited her only once.
Basta pag-visit nyo again, Sir Chief, you're welcome here. Or I can visit you sa sister mo. That would be awesome. I will be really happy if that happens. Super thank you.
Thank you.
Yan. When I was told that kayo yung magiging guest, I didn't know if matatakot ba ako kasi kaharap ko si Papa Chen or may in love ba ako kasi kausap ko si Sir Chief. I know, medyo may hawig ako kay Jody Santa Maria. Pwede rin kay Jody Ann Santos. Pero, yun, sobrang thankful ako that you're here. So, Wag natin patagalin pa. Thank you po so what you said earlier. Ngayon, wag natin patagalin pa and let's give a chance to your fans pala na gustong maraming malaman about you. Okay, marami silang mga tanong. Here are the 3 lucky fans today. Tananan, tanan. Okay. First, we have Z de Guzman of Toronto, Canada. Z, you might want to say something.
Hello, Sir Chief! Kamusta?
Hi, Z.
Kabahan ako, I don't know why. Iba talaga. Pag nakita kita sa personal and then dito sa even virtual, which is, oh my God. Meet kita 2013, yung sa Be Careful With My Heart sa downtown Toronto. That's the first time nakita kita. And then yung second na balik mo dito, 2017 I guess sa ASAP. Hindi ako nakapanood kasi may trangkaso ako. Sayang. Yeah.
Sayang.
I keep on following your kasi mga series and everything sa chat. Well, ABS. I love ABS. Sorry, hindi ba?
Thanks so much, Z. Thank you.
So yun, I have some like quick questions about sa'yo.
Yes,
Sure.
mamaya ka na magtanong.
Ay, mamaya pa ba? Sorry,
Excited. Huwag mo suluhin yung limelight. Ano ba? Meron pang
Sorry.
dalawa.
Kinakabahan
And now,
ako.
sige lang. Steady ka, relax, breathe. Next fan would be Geraldine Respicio de la Cruz of Scarborough, Ontario.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Sir Chief. How are you? I'm Geraldine from Toronto. And
Nawala si Geraldine, naging
sorry.
chandelier. Okay, sige lang Geraldine, tuloy.
I'm one of your biggest fan, and hindi ako makapaniwala na kaharap kita ngayon at kausap ka namin. So, I'm looking forward to ask questions with you.
Thank you very much.
If
Naman. Ganda ni Geraldine, naka-halter, buti na lang, nabalik sa kanya, hindi na sa chandelier. Yan. Okay. So, our last person na fan ninyo, na kagabi pa hindi makatulog, ay, ito na, from North York, also Canada, Ariane May Destreza.
Hey! Hello po, Sir Chief. Nice meeting you po. Oh my gosh. I
Hi,
can't believe I'm
Aryan.
here.
Kumusta ka dyan?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm kinakabahan. Oh my gosh.
Gusto kang sabihin sa kanya, Ariane, di ba? Kagabi mo pa sinasabi
oh
sa
my God.
akin.
Okay. I need to ready myself. All right. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance. That your life is true, I'll still be loving you. I will be true to you.
May kilig naman ako.
Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart.
Wow. Galing.
Ano masasabi mo doon, Sir
Thank you,
Chief?
thank
Gusto
you.
mo bang
Ang galing,
ingatan o
galing.
gusto mo basagin?
Oh,
Hindi. Ang galing.
Thank you, thank you.
O, diba? Kasi yan, batang-bata pa si Ariane. Pero crush ka na niya. Siguro mga 17 pa lang siya. 25 ka na ba ngayon, girl?
Older.
Older. So mga 25 and a half. Okay, wag natin patagalin. Let's start with our questions. Z, go ahead and start.
Okay, Sir Chief. So my first question is, what do you consider a sanctuary area in your house?
I guess it would be my bedroom. Kasi yun yung kung saan ako nagkapag-isip, pwede mag-relax and all that. That's where I spend most of my time also, bedroom.
Oh, okay. What is the coolest thing about being a dad?
Well, I guess it's watching your kids grow up and seeing them do things that you weren't able to do and seeing all their successes also. I guess that's the best thing.
What do you learn from your kids?
Oh, a lot. Lalo na ngayon, 'di ba? Kasi technology is so much more advanced. Kami, I am not so techy as they are, so we have to ask a lot from them, and they're the ones who are helping us now when it comes to all those techy stuff.
For sure, si Ashley ang nagtuturo sa'yo. Because she's a vlogger. I follow her as
Totoo.
well. Yeah.
Yeah. Pero my son is also very techy. He spends all his time on the computer.
Oh, I see. So what is your nickname, Sir Chief?
Wala naman. People used to call me Chard. I had an uncle who used to call me Dick. But usually it's just Richard or Chard or, well, now it's Sir Chief or Papa Chen. People call me that.
Okay. So what is your most embarrassing moment?
Siguro, nung kumakanta ako, nakalimutan ko yung lyrics ng song.
Oh.
Live, ha? I was singing live and
Oh.
nakalimutan ko talaga in front of an audience. That was really embarrassing.
Grabe. So what is your favorite book, Sir Chief?
Favorite book? I think it would have to be self-help book, The Automatic Millionaire.
Book that positively shaped you.
That book also. Well, there are a lot of other books that I read also, like the biography of Lee Kuan Yew. That would have been a very big influence on me also.
I see. So favorite spot in Cebu?
Tops. If you know where Tops is, it's somewhere up in the mountains. Parang antipolo siya ng Cebu.
Maybe one time we're gonna visit that.
Yeah.
So what is your sports, Sir Chief? Sports, maraming nagtatanong yan. Kung anong sports nyo?
Jack of all trades eh. When I was in grade school, I played football, and then when I was in high school, I was a pelota player and a volleyball player. And then when I was in college, I was in a varsity for archery. And then nag-taekwondo rin ako. And I play golf. I am a scuba diver. Yung mga ganon. Yun, well.
Wow, gwapo na, sporty pa, Sir Chief, ha? So my last question is your favorite movie.
Ang dami. Favorite movie. Siguro Achy Breaky Heart.
Oh. So thank you so much, Sir Chief.
Okay.
Thank you for being here.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Unmute. Patty, and now let's call on our next fan, Geraldine Respicio.
Hi again, Sir Chief. Ito ang mga
Hi,
questions
Geraldine.
ko. Alright? Movie that made you cry.
No one.
Alam mo, this is funny, but the movie that made me cry was Thor.
Oh.
Alam niyo bakit? It wasn't because of the action scenes. It was the time na parang tinanggap siya ulit ng tatay niya. That was very touching, actually.
Wow. I've never watched that movie, pero papanoorin ko na ngayon, Sir Chief. Okay, what would be your dream role?
I've always said this, that it would be something like a James Bond kind of role.
Okay, good. Pop or jazz?
Pop.
Pop. Favorite song?
Favorite song would be If a Promise Ain't Enough. That's why I remade that song.
Oh, okay. Singer you would want to have a duet with?
Ano ba yan? Local or any?
Doesn't matter, local or international?
Well, kung international, hangarin na natin yung pinaka si Celine Dion.
Oh, so, wow, yes. Mataas ang boses nun, Sir Chief. What is your go-to karaoke song?
Siguro, Your Smiling Face.
Smiling Face, okay.
Yeah.
And Good Habit?
Good habit, I don't know. I don't know what's a good habit that I have. Siguro a big praying. I pray before I go to sleep.
I think that's the best habit. And of course, if there's good habit, there should be a bad habit.
Yeah, my bad habit is I go to sleep very late. That's a very bad habit of mine.
Oh. And what is the best gift ever you receive?
I think the best gift that I ever received was from my kids. Siguro my daughter, like ngayon, she gave me this iPad all of a sudden out of nowhere. and it really touched me because um, ang mahal ng iPad eh. For me, it's an very expensive gift.
Right.
Um, so she just gave it out to me all of a sudden kasi sabi niya she was already earning. Kaya
Wow.
she wanted to give back to us, her parents.
Wow, that's very thoughtful. That's very
Yeah.
thoughtful. Yeah. So, what is the best gift ever that you have given to anyone?
I think the best gift that you can give anyone is really love. Pero if it's talking about uh, something siguro the best gift that I ever gave was a car to my daughter also.
Wow, that's nice. And it's true that love is the best because lalo na sa panahon natin ngayon, everybody like that's the thing we can offer to anyone. And thank you so
That's
much for
true.
answering my questions. Have a great day.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Geraldine, for those questions. Ako naman. And now we go to our third fan, Aryan Magistreza from North York, Canada.
Hello po, Sir Chief.
Hi, Ariane.
Hi, so here are my questions. Superman or Batman?
Superman.
Most influential person in your life?
Most influential, I guess it would have to be my teachers when I was in school
Aw.
because they helped mold me into who I am right now. Of course, aside from my parents, you know.
Mm-hmm. I agree. So, best advice you ever received?
Well, the best advice would be, you you just have to find your own way. You cannot copy anyone because everyone has their own path in life. So you just do whatever it is that you're good at, and make sure that you're impacting a lot of people. You know.
Oh. All right, next question. What best advice you give to your kids?
Value everything that you have and
Mhm.
work hard because nothing comes for free.
That will be a best advice for me as well. Next is the first person you texted this morning.
This morning, the first person I texted was the golf club because
Go.
because I wanted the schedule to play.
Play golf, I see.
Yeah.
All right. Next is the most influential person you will want to have dinner with, dead or alive.
I would want to have dinner with Lee Kuan Yew because I want to ask him what it is that he can share with me so that we can help the Philippines make it like a Singapore.
Oh. Oh. All right. In the next question, what would you ask this person? Yeah.
That's
What would
the
you ask?
question.
Yeah.
They're ready.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So next is most romantic place in the world.
For me, it's Paris.
I want to go to Paris too. And next is most romantic gesture you ever did.
I think it would have to be bringing my wife on a honeymoon, even though it wasn't really. We were married already for so long. I just invited her on a trip so that we could spend time together without the kids.
Yeah, of course. And last is which one is more romantic, a hug or a kiss?
Pwede ba both?
I agree. I would say that too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ariane.
Okay, di ba? Ang dami nating nalaman, Sir Chief. Papa Chen, hindi siya nakakatakot at all. Is like Papa Chen, napaka-romantic niya talaga. Like Sir Chief, o di ba? And natuwa ako dun sa what he said about yung love is the best gift that you can ever give. So true naman talaga yan. Kaya yung mga inaanak ko dyan sa Pasko, love I just took the advice of the one of the richest men in the world. Love is the best gift, right? Tapos gusto ko rin yung pareho tayong night owls. Bad habit natin yung sleeping late. And kaya But of course, at least fit ka, di ba? Ako, nagigising ako super late na. Pero doon pareho tayo. And of course, ang pinaka-favorite ko sa mga sinabi mo is that you pray. Yon. One of your good habits yan. And I believe, di ba, parang beauty queen, I believe that a guest and a host that pray together stay forever. So para tayo mahilig magdasal. Yeah, because if we do that, sa nangyayari talaga ngayon, yun lang yung pag-asa natin. Kaya nga, eto, nagpapasaya tayo ng mga tao. Pagdasal na rin natin sila. Okay. So gusto ko rin yung sinabi mo that everyone is unique. I believe that everyone has their own journey. As long as directed by God, you will succeed. Okay. Very, very exciting. Sana yung mga fans dyan, ang dami ninyong nalaman tungkol kay Sir Chief. Alam ko, marami din ng mga heartbroken kasi dadalhin niya sa Paris ang kanyang lovely wife. He's very, very faithful. Makakahanap din kayo ng sarili ninyong Sir Chief. Marami pa mga Chinese-looking na gwapo dyan. Okay. So, before we proceed, let's thank our sponsors first.
This show is brought to you in part by Valencia, independent consultant with Arbonne International. For healthier mind, stronger body, and more beautiful skin using the safest plant-based ingredients, please contact gvlasem@gmail.com. Available in Canada, USA, Australia, UK, Poland, and New Zealand. To Canada, Realtor Jason Aquino of City Savvy is at your service. Call 416-825-0511 so she can help you find your dream home. Singer, talent for voiceover, or a live performer? Contact Rhett De La Cruz at rhettradio@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his channel at Rhett Radio using the link below. AV Digital Media for digital marketing, web content management, and search engine optimization. To increase your social media reach and strategize your digital marketing, contact them at 1-647-992-7474.
And again, we're back. Thank you again, Sir Chief Richard Yap, for being so open and for sharing, giving us a sneak peek of your life. Sobrang thankful kami doon. Now guys, we have to pause for a short break, and when we come back, we'll feature another lucky fan in our Celebrity Hangout.
Healthy living means having more energy, maintaining a healthy weight, incorporating good eating habits, improving confidence and self-esteem, as well as looking and feeling your best. Arbonne nutritional products are plant-powered to deliver targeted levels of nutrients following a strict ingredient policy. The products are gluten-free and vegan. They are formulated without GMO ingredients, soy, nuts, artificial flavors, sweeteners, or colors. If you're ready to start healthy living now, the Arbonne Nutrition Special Value Pack is the collection of products that has been created to power your healthy lifestyle. Pairing Arbonne Essential Nutrition products with the 30 Days to Healthy Living and Beyond support guide and program helps to make healthy living even simpler. Great skin starts from within. When you feel good, you look good, especially when you combine exceptional nutrition and skincare. R9 Advanced is the leader in healthy looking skin. With cleaner formulas for better skincare and plant-powered nutrition, Arbonne is healthy living from the inside out. To learn more, talk to your Arbonne independent consultant today or visit arbonne.com.
Dancing, Zumba, what? 2 words, 2 syllables, okay? You can do this. Michael Jackson, what? Okay, pass.
Pag pumunta ako ng Texas.
Yay!
Oh my God!
Sabihan mo ako, Sir Chief, ha? Text tayo.